Hello and welcome to my other garden. I would like to show you now these plants, which is at another location. And this Spuria iris is called Kalahari. It has this beautiful lavender falls and orangish yellow center. I really love this. And the Spurias are now over. This is a species. It's called Iris crocea. And what I want to show you is this one, this beauty. It's called Lilium candidum plenum. It's the double form of the Madonna lily. It's not fully double, but it has more than 6 tepals. And they are now flowering. Of course, they are behind the grape, which is not good for the plant, so I have to replant them. And it has this very nice lily of the valley, citrusy lily of the valley fragrance. I just love it. And this is a very good stem, a lot of buds and flowers. And you can see those black beetles. Those are Nitidulid beetles. They are very common in Europe and they feed usually on canola flowers. So they like yellow and white, of course. So these are beautiful. And it's called, this lily cultivar is called oh, what's the name? I did forget. Oh, I don't remember, but I will put it in the subtitles. We're going to have some nectarines this year. The frost spared them. And some apricot. But I'm really interested in the lilies. So this cultivar is called Arabian Night, and it has this dark red flower with orange center and spots. And this cultivar was planted last autumn, and it has a lot of leaves in these whorls, so it's a little bit different than the others. And this one is of course cloud-stried. So Martagons are the only lilies which I know of that can be planted in shade or half shade, and they do not really like full sun because they go dormant very soon. But it's ideal for if you have a shady garden or you want to plant it under trees or next to shrubs. This is the best cultivar I have. So yep, I'm finishing up. Thank you for your attention, and if you want to subscribe and like and leave a comment, I thank you for your attention and see you next time. Goodbye.